Norma discover a new super hot star. Thank you. Have a nice day. If someone has birthday, please come.
Happy birthday, Sean. And sing a song.
Where is your book you donate or library? Where?
Thank you, everyone.
To all. Today we went to our orphanage where I saw that how the children of the orphanage are managing their day, how they are living with, they don't have much facilities to live, but still they are enjoying their life. I realized today that we are very fortunate that we have parents, that we have teachers, and we are studying in a great school. The children of the orphanage, they don't have parents to fulfill their needs.
We are having many facilities, but they are not having facilities. But still, they are very much happy. I have observed that how they are managing the everything without having parents. Thank you.